Hey, my name is Wong. I'm a photographer and a videographer. I shoot a lot of different things. I shoot cosplay, surreal, weddings, and everything in between. For someone like me who travels to take photos and videos, I need something that's portable and powerful. I love the ROG Flow X13 because it packs a long battery life for my busy days of collecting and creating content. The ROG Flow X13 is extremely light and ultra thin, and that means when I slide it into my backpack, I can barely feel it. Being a photographer, I love to shoot all day long. Having one less large heavy item to lug around has made a huge impact on my workflow. Editing photos and videos requires a lot of processing power, but the good thing is that the Flow X13 has an AMD Ryzen 9 5980HS, and that thing can handle all my editing needs. Tablet mode is my favorite, especially paired with the stylus because I can instantly review photos with my models, make changes on the fly, and add notes. When I get home, there's less work to be done and more time for gaming. This laptop just makes my workflow so much more efficient, especially when I pair it with the XG Mobile. This is some serious power for such a small form factor. When one screen just isn't enough, the XG Mobile boasts additional HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.2 ports, which allows me to use up to 4 external monitors. Having a work computer that is powerful enough for gaming and photo and video processing has made my life so much easier. The XG Mobile houses an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, which keeps my workflow efficient and my gameplay competitive. No matter your passion, go with the flow.